What's up, everybody? It's Wade back with another Wheels on Wednesday. Today we've got another box opening. This box looked a little different in size than my other boxes we've been opening lately, so I picked this one specifically because of that, just because, I don't know, maybe we got something good. It's a little bit wider of a box than normal. You can see I got the 56 out today. I mean, it's getting hot here in Arizona. So when you have an old school car and a project car and it's running good, man, you got to get them out as much as you can. And I'm going to try and still drive them in the summer. It might be morning time driving only. But let's go ahead, flip you around. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? All right, I got it propped up on the roof rack here. It seems to be a pretty good camera stand. We might not get the best lighting on this one. We'll see. Might have to do some maneuvering, but I am definitely curious to what's in this box because it's a different size. All right. It's like a big Protecto Oh. All right. Let me see if I can find some better light here. Just out in some better light in the front yard. You can see we have an F1 car from F1, the movie. Now this one, I honestly forgot I ordered. It was more expensive. I couldn't tell you the price right off the top of my head, but it is detailed very nicely. And you can see it came with a tire rack with some extra tires. That's pretty cool. All right, so this guy, not my normal hot rod, not my normal Volkswagen, not my normal muscle car. I just knew it was going to be very, very detailed, and that's why I picked this one up. And as you can see, she detailed. It looks good. It looks really good. Yeah, I don't know. It's different than anything I have in my diecast collection, right? I kind of like F1 mostly because of the Drive to Survive on Netflix. If you've never watched that, you should watch that. I didn't see the F1 movie. Did you guys? Was it good? Let me know in the comments below if you saw the F1 movie. Yeah, I think it looks really good. It's very detailed. It's a cool piece to have. That's going to be it for this Wheels on Wednesday. Obviously, I got an F1 movie car.